Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Judicial Service. In this video we are going to solving here Uttarakhand APO pre-exam 2009. This video is the final part, and if you are not watched the previous part, the link of previous part is available in our description box. Please go and watch these videos, and if anybody want the PDF file of this paper, the PDF will be uploaded in our Telegram group. Please join the Telegram group. Link of Telegram group as well as WhatsApp group is also available in our description box. And before starting this video, I request you please like and share our videos, and if you still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. This channel will very helpful for your preparation. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Question number 76. Which one of the following section of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 provides for joint trial of several offences? So the provision of joint trial is provided in section 223 of CRPC. So answer here option D. Now question number 77. Which one of the following section is related to the appointment of assistant public prosecutor under Criminal Procedure Code 1973? So PP is available in section 24 and assistant public prosecutor means APP is available in section 25. So answer of this question is here option D. And section 20 dealt with the executive magistrate, and section 13, it is also important here, it related to the special judicial magistrate. So public prosecutor provided in section 24. Now question number 78. Which one of the following offence is triable summarily? Option A, wrongful restraint. Option B, abduction. Option C, mischief. And option D, the offence not punishable with death, imprisonment for life, and imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. So answer of this question is here option D. Question number 79. Under which one of the sections of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 High Court's power of revision, this is very important here, power of revision is provided in? So High Court's power of revision is provided in section 401. So answer here option C. Now question number 80. And another important thing in this question is the revision power of session court is provided in section 399. This is very important here. So answer of this question is option C. Now question number 80. Under which one of the following section of Criminal Procedure Code 1973, this is another important question, inherent power, this is very important word here, inherent power can be exercised by High Court? So inherent power can be exercised by High Court under section 482. So answer here option A. Now question number 81. Under which of the following section of Code of Criminal Procedure provide issue of commission for examination of President or Vice President of India as a witness? This is very important here. So the provision related to this matter is section 284. So answer here option D. In this section, the issue of the commission for examination of the Vice President, President and Governor, etc. So answer here option B. Now question number 84. Which one of the following section of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 is related to the prosecution for offences against marriage? So prosecution for offence against marriage is provided in section 198. So answer of this question is here option A. In the prosecution for defamation provided in section 199, and section 197 related to the prosecution of judge or public servant. So this thing here, and last one section 196 related to the prosecution for offence against the state and for a criminal conspiracy to commit such offence. So this thing here in 196. Question number 83. Which one of the following section of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 is related to interpreter is bound to interpret truthfully? This is very important word here. So answer of this question is here section 282. So answer here option D. Now question number 84. Under Criminal Procedure Code 1973, the object of investigation is, so clearly object of investigation is to collect evidence against accused. So answer here option C. Next question 85. Under Criminal Procedure Code 1973, a reference can be made to, so reference can be made to High Court. So answer here option B. Under which section? So under section 395. Now question number 86 under section 18 of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007, who may appoint legal advisor and financial controller to assist and advise Director General of Police on legal and financial matter respectively. So who may appoint? So clearly state government. So answer here option D. Now question number 87. Under which section of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 it is contained that it shall be the duty of, this is very important line here, duty of every officer in charge of a police station to keep a journal diary. So this provision is provided in section 47. So answer here option B. And another important section is section 44. Section 44 dealing with no police officer discharge himself from his office. So this thing here. Now answer of this question is here option B. Now question number 88. Who is authorized for overall administration of public force under the Uttarakhand Police Act 2007? So who is authorized for overall administration of police force? So clearly here Director General of Police. So answer here option B. And this question related to this section 21 of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007. Now question number 89. Under Uttarakhand Police Act 2007, a police officer posted as an officer in charge of a police station shall have minimum term of, so shall have minimum term of 1 year. So answer here option B. Now question number 90. Under which section of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 the penalty for neglect of duty by police officer are given? So penalty for neglect of duty are given in section 85 of Uttarakhand Police Act. So answer here option A. Now question number 91. Under Uttarakhand Police Act, who create police station? So clearly the police station created by the state government. So answer here option B. And this question related to the provision of the creating police station under section 7 of Uttarakhand Act 2007. Now question number 92. The administration of police district shall be vested in. So clearly it is direct question. So shall be vested in superintendent of police under the general coordination and direction of the district magistrate, means DM. So here SP. So answer of this question is here option D. Now question number 93. Who among the following may create a state intelligence department? So state intelligence department created by the state government. So answer here option D. And state intelligence department created in section 10 of Uttarakhand Police Act and by state government. Now question number 94. Section 84 of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 dealt with. So section 84 dealt with unauthorized use of police uniform. This is very important word here, police uniform. So answer here option B. Now question number 95. Which of the following punishment may be awarded as disciplinary penalties under section 23 of Uttarakhand Police Act? So first one dismissal, second one here removal from service, third one reduction in salary, and fourth here withholding promotion. So all these penalties provided in section 23. So these are the disciplinary penalties. So answer here option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so there are 7 type of penalty available in section 23. Question number 96. Section 31 of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 contains. So section 31 related to the selection of independent members of the State Police Board. So independent member of State Police Board appointed by a panel. So it is appointed by panel, and this panel consisting of 4 members especially. First one is Chief Minister, second one is Speaker, so Speaker of Legislative Assembly, third one is Home Minister of concerning state, and now last one, fourth one is Leader of Opposition. So Leader of opposition. So leader of opposition. If there is no leader of opposition, so which single party having a largest seats in opposition are treated as leader of opposition. So that leader of that party is treated as leader of opposition. So this panel appoint independent member of the state police board, and this thing provided in section 31. So answer of this question is here option C. Question number 97. Under which section of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 the police officer is mandated not to withdraw himself from duty of his office? Yes, this matter is just discussed in previous question. So answer of this question is here under which section? Under section 44. So answer here option A. Now question number 98. A senior police officer may perform any duty assigned by law or by a lawful order to any officer subordinate to him. This has been provided which of the following section of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007? So this has been provided in section 41. So answer here option D. Now question number 99. Under Uttarakhand Police Act 2007, to whom appeal lie against the punishment given by Director General of Police? So appeal lie in against the order of Director General of Police to state government. So answer here option B. And under which section? Under section 26. And if order made by the Director General of Police, in that time the appeal to be to the state government, and if any subordinate officer giving the order, in such order is appealed to the next senior officer. So this thing is provided in section 26 of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007. So answer of this question is here option B, state government. Now final question of this video, question number 100. Who shall prescribe an insurance covered, this is very important word, insurance covered for police officer against injury, disability or death caused while on duty? So who shall insure the police officer, provide the insurance to the police officer or insure to the police officer against the injury, disability and death caused while on duty? So clearly answer here option D, state government. So answer here option D. Now we are going to finish this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video to your friends and relative, and especially in social media network like Facebook and WhatsApp. And please subscribe our channel and press bell icon button, which will provide you further notification of our videos. Thank you for watching Indian Judicial Service.